Welcome to Thimphu, Bhutan, a capital unlike any other. Imagine a city where prayer flags flutter against pine-covered hills, where traffic lights are a novelty and monk chants mix with the hum of scooters. This is Thimphu, tucked in a narrow valley in the western Himalaya, the political and cultural heart of the Kingdom of Bhutan. It's famous for its strong Buddhist traditions, striking dzongs, and a national philosophy that values happiness over growth. Visitors come for peace, scenic mountain views, and a glimpse of a carefully preserved way of life. Thimphu sits at about 200-300 meters above sea level and grew from a small market town into Bhutan's capital only in the 1960s, when the country opened to the modern world. Its history is visible in stone and wood. Massive dzongs built centuries ago still house government offices and monasteries. The city blends old and new in a gentle way. Traditional Bhutanese architecture with sloped roofs, ornate windows, and painted motifs sits beside low-rise modern buildings. The result is a skillin that looks handcrafted, not hurried. Walking through Thimphu feels like moving through a living painting. Streets are lined with shops selling hand-woven textiles, prayer wheels, and delicate paper-thin masks used in seasonal dances. Monks in maroon robes stroll past office workers in jackets. The air carries incense, wood smoke, and mountain freshness. Despite being the capital, Thimphu is quiet by international standards. It has a slow rhythm that makes even short visits feel restful and deep. The climate is mild and alpine. Summers are cool with occasional rain and lush green hills. Winters bring crisp days and chilly nights, sometimes dusted with snow on the surrounding peaks. Spring and autumn are the best times to visit for clear skies, festivals, and pleasant walking weather. Plan for layers. Sun can be strong at high altitude, but mornings and evenings stay cool. Everyday life in Thimphu mixes tradition and modern needs. Family life, community festivals, and religion remain central. You will see people gathering at the weekend markets, young people in the national dress called gyo and kara, and artisans working on Bhutanese handicrafts. Food is simple and hearty. Red rice, momos, and dishes flavored with red pepper and cheese are common. Tea shops serve sweet, butter tea or milder milk tea that locals enjoy while catching up on news. There's a surprising number of must-see places packed into this small city. Start at the Tashicho Dzong, a fortress and monastery that shines with painted wood and whitewashed walls. Nearby, the large Buddha Dordhanma statue overlooks the valley and offers sweeping views. Climb up at sunset for golden light over the rooftops. The Folk Heritage Museum and the National Textile Museum reveal Bhutan's craft traditions. For a breath of fresh air, hike to the Memorial Chorten or take the short trail to Modathing Taken Preserve to see Bhutan's curious national animal, the taking. If your visit lines up with a Sechu festival, you will witness mass dances, colorful costumes, and community celebration, a highlight of Bhutanese culture. Practical tips make a trip smoother. Bhutan controls tourism through a daily fee for most visitors, so arrange your travel and visa through a licensed tour operator. Pack warm layers, good walking shoes, and cash in the local currency in Gultrum. Atoms are available but not always reliable. Respect local customs, dress modestly in religious sites, ask before photographing people, and remove shoes when entering temples. English is widely spoken, so communication is easy for many travelers. Thimphu offers a rare travel experience, a capital city where tradition shapes daily life and where nature feels close at hand. Whether you come for culture, calm, or mountain views, this small Himalayan city leaves a gentle impression. End your day sipping tea under prayer flags, listening to distant bells, and feeling the steady pulse of a place that moves at its own thoughtful pace. Thimphu is a reminder that travel can be slow, simple, and deeply rewarding.